Hello, my dear students. And this lecture, we'll be talking about the HTML styles. So, let's say for example, we have an header one. I can say this is my first paragraph. Let's reload it. It's black. What do we want to put another color? Like green, red, blue. What are we going to do? So that is going to help us by using the style attributes. So that is one of the tutorials from the CSS. So don't forget the style attributes. Style attributes, something like this. Style, as you can see. So follow my steps. Come to our body tag. Come to our body tag right here. Put style. Here, put background. Let's give it a background color of what should we use? Let's say power blue. So right after putting your type of the color, if it's red, you should use red, and if you should use blue. If it's green, you should use green. Make sure you put a semicolon right here. So come here and let's put some text here. This is a heading. So don't forget, I keep on putting a space right here. This space I'm putting is not going to be affected by what is going to what the output on our website. So don't be fooled by the space you put. Putting spaces like this just helps our code to be neat. So in case we are trying to look for something, we have an error, we are trying to look for the solution for the error, it's just very easy to check it once your code is clean. So let's say this is a paragraph. So let's save it and see what happens. Don't forget body tag right here. We'll put style background color as a power blue. So let's reload it. See what happens. I don't know why this is not responding. I don't know. Let me check. I don't know. Okay. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It shouldn't be power blue. It should be powder blue. Yes, it should be powder blue. So okay, thank God something like this happened. When writing your codes, there will be mistakes. There will definitely be mistakes. So once you have a mistake, the best developer is best defined by knowing how to troubleshoot your errors and knowing how to solve it right now. So once you have an error like this, all you have to do is look through your codes. Have I made any mistakes? Okay, and as you can see, I checked here and I say it shouldn't be power blue, it should be powder blue. So let's save it right here and see what happens. As you can see, our background changes to blue. So but if you use something like blue, as you can see, so but I love these as a powder blue like this. So you can see it's not a magic, it's just what you can put on your head. So what about our text? These are text. These what if I want to put a color right there? I want this text to have a color also. So don't forget, we're going to be using our style attributes. So style, let's say color. What color should we use? Let's use blue for that. And don't forget, once you type in your color, make sure you put semicolon. So don't forget that. That is very important in the CSS. Put your semicolon, let's save it and see what happens right here. Oh, as you can see, the text is blue now. So let's change this text also. What should we? Let's use red. Don't forget the style attributes. It's very important. You have to put style. You can't just put a color blue. No, you have to put the style attributes right there. So color, I want to use red. Put a semicolon right after it, and so as you can see, it turns to red straight away. So using fonts also. So as you can see, fonts, if you're into graphics or something, or typesetting and something like that, you already understand what I meant by font. So here it says a font in method typesetting. A font was particular size, weight, type, something fonts. See something like this, the Arial, Times New Roman, and many fonts right there you can use. And when you're going to make production, so you can just look for Google Fonts. So once you search your Google, it's always important to use that in CSS. You know, it's Google Fonts. Okay, yeah, you know, I think, hold on. Okay, make sure you have a strong internet connection. So when searching for something, everything will be easier for you. So as you can see, we have different fonts. You can see how this one is. See these fonts. So it's important to use fonts, and also you might not use a font you want, but I still I like using the font when writing my codes. So let's come back to our code right here, and let's use some fonts. So, and don't forget, fonts is also CSS elements. Should I call them elements? Okay, still part of the CSS issue. Don't let me call it an issue. It's not an issue. So right here, don't forget, anything you want to do, styling, once your code to be much more beautiful, don't forget to use the style attributes. And this is an inline CSS, so you shouldn't be putting your CSS as inline like this. To be very putting something like this. So don't worry, in one of our sections we'll be doing an XML CSS. We just need to call the page right to our HTML page right here. So we don't have to do everything one by one. If you start doing everything one by one, it's not so accepted like that. And once an hacker comes to your site and view the page source, someone that wants to do malicious stuff, I'll just scan with your website. So you can just come to our website, view the page source, and once everything is styled there, everything is there. Yeah, so it's very easy for them. So right now, the CSS font family property defines the fonts to be used for an HTML element. So just like we used by the color the other time, the color property defines the text color for an HTML element. So right here we want to use font. All we have to do is using the fonts family. So right here we'll just put font family. Which font we want to use? Let's use Verdana. Don't forget to put your semicolon right here. So save F5. As you can see, there's little changes in the font right here. So let me delete this first, so you can check again and see the changes right there. Can you see? So you can see the differences between, as you can see, the difference between when the font is not there and when the font is there right now. So also let's change this one to also fonts. Don't forget to use font family. Don't forget to use that property, font family property, and let's see what happens to our text also, as you can see. So to get fonts, just go to Google Fonts like that and try. Let me give you an example. Google Fonts. So you can know all fonts of it. So once you come to Google, search for Google Fonts. So let's see. Let me look for good fonts. We can use. Okay, let's use these. So as you already see, this is the name PT. So let me just put it right here. See what happens right here. As you can see, changes to what we have, or like what we have before. So don't forget. Now let's move to another section of using the font size. Font size also. So we've used different attributes, different property right here. We've used the font family, we've used the color. So right here, let's use text size also. Let's use a font size. So for example, this size now, let's say we want to change that size. So it's very simple. Yeah, don't forget your style attributes stays in place. So that is very important. The style attributes stays in place, and what we can do is just font size. Let's use 3000%. Save. Can you see? So anything you want to use 5000. Anything you want, but this is way too big. Let's use like 300. So let me see, 100. Can you see? It's smaller. So you don't forget that we used an header one attribute, header one tag right here, and our heading header one, it's usually a larger heading, but once you style it using your CSS by using the style attribute and the font size property to 100%, it's definitely going to overwrite your pre-existing header one elements for you. So the CSS is very important. So no matter what you're typing, don't worry, you're going to reduce it and do everything very well in using the CSS. So next, now let's move on to text alignment. So what I mean by text alignment is, okay, for example, let's save again and reload it. Now see, this text is right here. This is an heading, and I want my heading right here, or even right, or anywhere you want to put it. So to do that, you need your CSS also. So by doing that, you need the text align property. Don't forget that, the text align property. So what we're going to do is text align. Let me put center. Don't forget your semicolon. Do not forget that. As you can see, this is center right here. you want it here, and here it is. So but when you are doing, you have a different CSS folder, you can just go there and select it by the ID, and don't worry, we'll still move to that later. But right here, let's keep on doing it inline like this so you can all understand. So what if we put our paragraph also center? So right here you can see everything is centralized. So it's very important. Don't forget the use of style attributes, use of the background color, the color for text colors, and also font family for text fonts, also font size for text sizes, and using of text align. So text align is going to bring your text to the center, right from the center. So don't forget that. Thanks for watching this video.